Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kadian Aprilia. I'm from class 1C and program study di 3 Medical Record and Health Information. I made this video in order to fulfill the English assignment from Mrs. Allen. Here I will discuss about 5 senses in humans. 5 senses. There are 5 kinds of senses in humans. The 5 senses are 5 media in the human body to feel, smell, hear, see, touch, and feel something. Humans in general have 5 senses that are very function in responding to stimuli. The 5 senses that function well will make it easier for our bodies to respond according to desire or instinct. Therefore, these 5 senses can be said to be organs of the human body that can connect the brain with other body's parts. Members of the human body will respond according to what is ordered by the brain. 1. Sense of sight. The A is the sense for sight. When capturing light and color, the eyes will send it to the brain for interpretation. Inside the eye, there are several parts of the visual process. This part of have their respective function. The part of the eye is the cornea to transmit light entering the eye, the pupil, which function to regulate the amount of light, and the lens to focus the incoming light so that it falls exactly on the retina, brain, and eye muscle to move the eyeball. 2. Sense of smell. The nose is a medium on the body that can cause us to smell more than 1 trillion scents. Smell pick up odors when we breathe into the front of the nose. Smell or smell perception work by the olfactory cleft, which is found on the roof of the nasal cavity, next to the part of the brain that functions as smell. After that, the nerve endings in the olfactory cleft will send the smell to the brain for interpretation. 3. Sense of sound. The ear is the sense of hearing in the human body. Ears can also act as balance tool. There are 3 parts of the ear that help us to hear and stimulate sound. 1. The outer ear, which function to receive and collect sound and produce serum oil. 2. The middle ear to transmit sound vibration from the eardrum to their inner ear cavity and maintain air pressure. And 3. Inner ear, which function to listen to out and maintain body balance. 4. Sense of taste. The tongue is the sense of taste. Taste is a sensory function of the central nervous system. This sense allows us to feel various tastes such as salty, sweet, bitter, spicy, sour, and others. The tongue detects the taste and sends it to the brain. Taste receptors in humans are found on the surface of the tongue, soft palate, and the epithelium of the pharynx and epiglottis. 5. Sense of touch. The skin is the sense of touch in the human body. The skin is the outermost organ of the body that covers the entire human body. With the skin, we can feel the surface of an object, whether it is raw or smooth. The skin can also help us determine the temperature of an object, such as hot or cold. Inside the skin, there are nerve endings, which are very sensitive to touch, such as on the fingertips and lips. But apart from that, the skin also has a function to protect and regulate body temperature. Okay, thank you. Enough is explained for me. If there is an error, please forgive. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.